I only make fries like this, they are so crispy and mouth-watering. For our recipe we will need 2 medium potatoes and cut them into rounds. Then we will put the potatoes in a pan and let them cook for 15 minutes. Next we are going to mash the potatoes in a sieve with the help of a spoon. Next I'll add a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix very well with your hands. Now I'm going to roll out the dough and then cut it into pieces about the thickness of a finger. And I'm going to knead all these pieces with a fork. Make this potato chip recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. I'm sure it will be delicious and everyone will love it. And I'll take it to fry in hot oil until it's nicely browned. Now our recipe is ready. Look how delicious it is. Thank you very much for watching this, and see you in the next video. Bye.